In the world of military aviation, few aircraft have generated as much curiosity, anticipation, and speculation as the B-21 Raider. Long before the aircraft ever took to the skies, defense analysts, aviation enthusiasts, and military experts around the globe were already calling it one of the most important military aircraft of the 21st century. Built to operate in an era of rapidly evolving threats, advanced radar systems, and highly contested battlefields, the B-21 Raider represents the future of American air power. It is more than just a bomber. It is a symbol of technological innovation, strategic deterrence, and the United States Air Force's commitment to maintaining air superiority for decades to come. The story of the B-21 Raider begins with a challenge. For decades, the United States relied on a combination of bombers including the B-52 Stratofortress, the B-1B Lancer, and the B-2 Spirit. While each aircraft proved highly capable, military planners recognized that future battlefields would be far more dangerous than those of the past. Potential adversaries were developing sophisticated air defense systems capable of detecting and engaging aircraft at greater distances. New radar technologies, advanced missiles, and integrated defense networks threatened to reduce the effectiveness of older aircraft designs. To address these challenges, the United States Air Force launched a program to create a new generation bomber capable of surviving and succeeding in the most heavily defended environments on Earth. Northrop Grumman, the company responsible for the legendary B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, was selected to design and build the new aircraft. The result was the B-21 Raider, a bomber designed from the ground up for the realities of modern warfare. While the aircraft shares a flying wing appearance with the B-2, the B-21 incorporates decades of technological advancements that make it far more capable, adaptable, and efficient. One of the most remarkable features of the B-21 Raider is its stealth capability. Stealth technology has always been one of the most closely guarded secrets in military aviation. The ability to avoid detection by enemy radar provides a tremendous advantage on the battlefield. The B-21 was designed with stealth as a primary requirement rather than an afterthought. Every aspect of the aircraft, from its shape and materials to its engines and electronic systems, was carefully engineered to reduce its visibility across multiple detection methods. The aircraft's smooth, blended flying wing design helps minimize radar reflections. Advanced composite materials and special coatings further reduce its radar signature. Unlike older stealth aircraft that required extensive maintenance to preserve their low observable characteristics, the B-21 was designed with maintainability in mind. Engineers sought to create a stealth aircraft that could be operated more efficiently and at lower cost while still maintaining exceptional survivability. But stealth alone is not enough in modern warfare. The B-21 Raider was designed to function as part of a larger networked force. Modern military operations increasingly rely on the rapid sharing of information between aircraft, satellites, ground forces, naval assets, and command centers. The B-21 is expected to act not only as a bomber but also as a highly connected node within this network. It can receive, process, and distribute information in real time, allowing commanders to make faster and more informed decisions during combat operations. This connectivity transforms the B-21 from a traditional bomber into a multi-role strategic asset. It can gather intelligence, support electronic warfare missions, coordinate with unmanned systems, and contribute to broader military objectives. Beyond simply delivering weapons, in many ways, the aircraft reflects a shift in military thinking where information dominance is just as important as firepower. The weapons carried by the B-21 Raider further highlight its versatility. The aircraft is expected to be capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear weapons. This dual-role capability ensures that it can support a wide range of missions, from precision strikes against high-value targets to strategic deterrence operations. Precision-guided munitions allow the B-21 to engage targets with extraordinary accuracy while minimizing collateral damage. At the same time, its nuclear capability ensures that it remains a critical component of America's nuclear triad, which includes land-based missiles, submarine-launched missiles, and strategic bombers. The importance of the nuclear mission cannot be overstated. Strategic bombers provide a visible and flexible deterrent that can be deployed around the world. Unlike ballistic missiles, which are launched and cannot be recalled, bombers offer political leaders additional options during times of crisis. They can be positioned as a show of force, redirected if necessary, or recalled before reaching their targets. The B-21 Raider will play a vital role in maintaining this flexibility for future generations. Another significant advantage of the B-21 is its long-range capability. The United States maintains global security commitments that often require military forces to operate far from home bases. Long-range bombers provide the ability to project power across vast distances without relying heavily on overseas bases. This capability becomes increasingly important in regions where access to forward operating locations may be limited or contested. The B-21's ability to travel great distances while carrying substantial payloads allows it to strike targets virtually anywhere in the world. Combined with aerial refueling support, the aircraft can remain operational for extended periods and reach locations that would be difficult or impossible for shorter-range aircraft. This global reach provides military planners with options that few other weapons systems can match. One of the most intriguing aspects of the B-21 Raider is its emphasis on future adaptability. Military technology evolves rapidly, and aircraft designed today may remain in service for decades. Recognizing this reality, engineers incorporated an open architecture design that allows new technologies to be integrated more easily over time. Rather than requiring extensive redesigns, future upgrades can be added as threats evolve and new capabilities become available. This approach helps ensure that the B-21 remains relevant throughout its service life. Whether the future brings new sensors, advanced communications systems, artificial intelligence enhancements, or entirely new categories of weapons, the aircraft was designed to accommodate change. This adaptability represents a major departure from traditional military acquisition programs, where upgrades often become expensive and time-consuming. The first public unveiling of the B-21 Raider generated enormous interest around the world. For years, only artist renderings and limited information had been available. When the aircraft was finally revealed, observers noted both its familiar resemblance to the B-2 Spirit and the subtle design differences that reflected its next-generation status. The unveiling marked a significant milestone in one of the most important defense programs in recent history. Following its unveiling, the aircraft entered an extensive testing program. Flight testing plays a critical role in validating performance, safety, and mission capabilities. Engineers and pilots evaluate every aspect of the aircraft under a wide range of conditions. Data collected during testing helps identify potential issues, refine systems, and ensure that the aircraft meets operational requirements before entering full-scale service. The successful first flight of the B-21 Raider represented another major achievement. Taking a new aircraft from concept to flight is an extraordinarily complex undertaking involving thousands of engineers, technicians, and support personnel. Every system must function correctly, and countless hours of preparation are required before a prototype ever leaves the ground. The first flight demonstrated that years of development had produced a functioning aircraft capable of progressing toward operational deployment. The B-21 program also reflects broader trends in defense strategy. As geopolitical competition intensifies and military technologies continue to advance, nations are investing heavily in capabilities designed to operate in highly contested environments. Stealth aircraft remain among the most effective tools for penetrating sophisticated defenses and reaching critical targets. By investing in the B-21, the United States seeks to maintain a technological advantage that can deter aggression and support national security objectives. The aircraft's name, Raider, carries historical significance as well. It honors the Doolittle Raiders, the courageous airmen who conducted a daring bombing mission against Japan during World War II. Led by Lieutenant Colonel James Doolittle, the raid demonstrated American determination and resilience during a difficult period of the war. By choosing the name Raider, the Air Force connects the new bomber to a legacy of innovation, courage, and strategic impact. Cost is another topic frequently discussed in relation to the B-21 Raider. Developing advanced military aircraft requires substantial investment, and programs of this scale often attract scrutiny from policymakers and taxpayers. However, supporters argue that the aircraft's long-term value justifies the expense. By incorporating maintainability, adaptability, and efficiency into the design from the beginning, the Air Force hopes to reduce operating costs over the aircraft's lifetime compared to previous stealth platforms. The planned fleet size reflects the strategic importance of the program. The Air Force intends to acquire at least 100 B-21 aircraft, with some experts suggesting that larger numbers may eventually be needed. A larger fleet provides greater operational flexibility, increased readiness, and enhanced resilience in the event of conflict. It also allows commanders to maintain a global presence while supporting multiple theaters of operation simultaneously. Beyond its military role, the B-21 Raider serves as a showcase of American engineering and industrial capability. The program supports thousands of jobs across numerous states and involves a vast network of suppliers and contractors. Advanced manufacturing techniques, digital engineering tools, and innovative production methods have all contributed to the aircraft's development. These technologies may influence future aerospace projects and help strengthen the broader defense industrial base. The emergence of unmanned systems has also prompted questions about the future of crewed aircraft. While drones continue to play an increasingly important role in military operations, the B-21 demonstrates that crewed platforms remain highly relevant. Human decision-making, flexibility, and adaptability continue to provide significant advantages in complex operational environments. At the same time, the aircraft is expected to work alongside unmanned systems, creating a powerful combination of human expertise and autonomous capabilities. Artificial intelligence may further enhance the B-21's effectiveness in the future. Advanced algorithms could assist with mission planning, threat analysis, sensor management, and decision support. By reducing pilot workload and improving situational awareness, AI technologies have the potential to increase mission success while enhancing safety. Although many details remain classified, the aircraft's open architecture design makes future integration of such capabilities more feasible. As the B-21 Raider moves closer to operational service, its significance extends beyond the aircraft itself. It represents a broader vision for the future of air warfare, one in which stealth, connectivity, adaptability, and strategic reach combine to create a highly capable force. The aircraft was designed not merely to address current threats but to remain effective against challenges that may not yet exist. For aviation enthusiasts, the B-21 Raider offers a fascinating glimpse into the next chapter of military aerospace development. For military planners, it provides a critical tool for maintaining deterrence and operational flexibility. For potential adversaries, it serves as a reminder that technological innovation continues to shape the balance of power in the modern world. Decades from now, historians may look back on the B-21 Raider as a defining aircraft of its era, much as previous generations remember the B-17 Flying Fortress, the B-52 Stratofortress, and the B-2 Spirit. Each of those aircraft reflected the strategic realities of its time. The B-21 Raider reflects the reality of decades. The State Route 71 Blackbird stands as a timeless reminder that with vision, determination, and exceptional engineering, humanity can accomplish feats that once seemed impossible. It remains one of the greatest aircraft ever built, a true icon of aviation whose story will continue to inspire future generations for many years to come.